Down by the station, early in the day, engines are puffing, ready on display. Choo-choo goes the whistle, steam fills the air. All aboard the train now, we're going everywhere.
Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, round the track we go. Faster, slower, watch the engines blow. Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, up the hill so high. Down by the station, trains are passing by.
Down by the station, colors bright and grand, red and green and yellow shining through the land. Wheels are turning, clanking as they spin. Next stop's an adventure, let the fun begin.
Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, round the track we go. Faster, slower, watch the engines glow. Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, up the hill so high. Down by the station, trains are passing by.
Huff and puff, the steam clouds fly. Up to the trees, they touch the sky. Clickety-clack, the rhythm plays. Down by the station,
Happy days! Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, round the track we go. Faster, slower, watch the engines glow. Chug-a-chug, chug-a-chug, up the hill so high. Down by the station, trains are passing by.
And a short sound effect at the end.